Yeah. I say me and the niggas, man, we not the same. You cannot look at me and see I'm a different breed. I don't give a fuck about no broke, cause I'ma eat the bitch. Unless it's something still fuck with, I'ma let y'all every nigga say my age, the one that I came doing. Keep it against a lot, feel a little bit fine, but I keep it going. Remember saying I don't need no friends, but a nigga alone. I'm moving on the right position, but I keep the ball rolling. I'm tryna tell everybody I ain't got shit to say to y'all. I think it's better shut the fuck up, you don't know what I'm on. My daddy bitch, nigga, I cannot relate to them all. My mama tryna motivate me, she wanna see me on top. I keep it cool, everybody, but I'm not a cooler. I'm rolling down on my dick, tryna get it straight, I need a ruler. I'ma stay in school in the eyes, so don't think I'm a loser. Nigga, don't be playing, I'ma tell you I cannot tell I see bag, I'm a nigga, I could do it. I'm a winner, not success, learning from experience. They got the hopes up on me, and I can fuck this up. I raise my head now upon you, I need you to help me, yo. I say me and the niggas, man, we not the same. You cannot look at me and see I'm a different breed. I don't give a fuck about no broke, cause I'ma eat the bitch. Unless it's something still fuck with, I'ma let y'all every nigga say my age, the one that I came doing. Keep it against a lot, feel a little bit fine, but I keep it going. Remember saying I don't need no friends, but a nigga alone. I'm moving on the right position, but I keep the ball rolling.
I done fuck it up, which is why I need a clock. Got these niggas pucker watching like I run the block. Don't get me started, all my homies looking like a mob. We got extra hard, you wanna better pick a side. I started from nothing and got to the bag. Lost it all, I'm making it back. Did it again and double it up. Don't hit me up, it's not about cash. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 shorties in my DM. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 ups on the low. We came from choices, but we aiming at a better life. It's the slime, so nobody barely make it out. I'm tryna show my homies that this life beyond the hood. So the vision made it work, we're gonna live forever.
I cannot tell I see bag, I'm a nigga, I could do it. I'm a winner, not success, learning from experience. They got the hopes up on me, and I can fuck this up. I raise my head now upon you, I need you to help me, yo. I say me and the niggas, man, we not the same. You cannot look at me and see I'm a different breed. I don't give a fuck about no broke, cause I'ma eat the bitch. Unless it's something still fuck with, I'ma let y'all every nigga say my age, the one that I came doing. Keep it against a lot, feel a little bit fine, but I keep it going. Remember saying I don't need no friends, but a nigga alone. I'm moving on the right position, but I keep the ball rolling. I say me and the niggas, man, we not the same. You cannot look at me and see I'm a different breed. I don't give a fuck about no broke, cause I'ma eat the bitch. Unless it's something still fuck with, I'ma let y'all be.